great snack for every day. All my family members love it. Best to eat while watching movie at home with big screen. Easy redemption at the outlet. Just show the voucher for the staff to redeem away the voucher and the staff will take picture of the redeemed code page. Delicious and mouth-watering snack. Will definitely come back for more. Very good deal for the price too. It is a pleasant, good experience with the redemption at Raffles City Outlet. The lady staff is very friendly and nice to recommend the different type of popcorn flavors to me. I would like to make purchase again. It is worth the value with this voucher purchase. Will buy again. I feel like I would not buy this if it's not because of the good for value vouchers sold from Klook, as it is relatively expensive. I'm glad I found the voucher that allowed me to purchase at good bargain. I will definitely come back to purchase more vouchers as I really love myEureka popcorn. Smile. Encounter a bit of problem when redeeming, but overall is good. Went to Dobie Outlet, the lady told us cannot redeem there, so went to Raffles City Outlet instead. Yummy popcorn with many interesting flavors. Staff are friendly and helpful. Due to COVID now no longer could try the different flavors at the shop before buying. Collection from Raffles City Outlet. Many choices of flavor and redemption was fuss-free and easy. 140-gram packing come with resealable bag which keep the freshness of the popcorn. Visited Raffles City myEureka snack bar branch to collect. The staff process the redemption and collect the purchased popcorn with ease. Best flavor will be the caramel one,